I've lived in Breakfast Point since the neighborhood was first built, and I've seen a lot of very, very nice homes in the community. But today I've got something very, very special for you. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. We're going to look at 202 Basin Bayou Drive. This was one of the model homes for Breakfast Point, so you can imagine the upgrades. 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, pool, prime lot. Today I've got a fantastic home for you to see. I've got the house for you. This is why you come down to Panama City Beach. This is why you buy the beach house. I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. Let's take a look around. If I just said 5 bedrooms, 3 baths with a pool in Breakfast Point, that wouldn't begin to tell the story here, but we have to start by looking at the outdoor space. 202 Basin Bayou drives on a fantastic lot with an incredible pool with very, very nice views in the backyard. Check it out. See what I mean? Incredible, incredible outdoor living at this one. Back inside, this is the popular Heron model. 5 bedrooms that everybody has a little bit of privacy, primary retreat on one part of the house, 2 more bedrooms on another section, and 2 more bedrooms up front. Excellent, excellent floor plan. Tons of upgrades. Let's take a look around. There it is, 202 Basin Bayou Drive. Remember, this was the model home. And so you have all these incredible upgrades. I have a full list of this. If you want more information on those, give me a call, shoot me a text. In the meantime, remember, 3-car garage, prime lot, close to the schools in the Breakfast Point Arnold School District, close to all of the fabulous amenities at the front of Breakfast Point. Really, really fantastic home. If you want more information, again, I'm Craig Duran with the Duran Group at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, 850-290-0417. Thanks for watching.